Hello, I hope you are having another wonderful virtual learning day. Welcome to the Angora Virtual Learning page. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to build or how to construct a lesson plan in Verge such that it appears the way we want it to appear in our overview page for students. Let's get started. I'm going to go to first, let's look at what we want to do. On using the student view, at this point, I have one lesson, Monday, Unit 1, in the student's view on the overview page. Notice what we have here. Now, in today's lesson, we're going to reconstruct everything that you see here. Okay? Let's do that. First, let's come out of the student view and go to the teacher view. Okay, and I'm going to go to the plan page. I am there. Okay, now there are a lot of topics that are already here. I want to clean up my workspace to where I'm only looking at the lesson that I want to work on for today. So I'm going to change my window view and I'm going to go to training page 1. Okay, now, so that's all I am looking at now, training page 1. Now remember, Monday is already there. That is this, Monday, Unit 1. What we're going to do is add a Tuesday, day 2. Okay, so let's do that. And what we're going to put for the contents of Tuesday, day 2, is the same thing that we have here. I just want to show you how we actually created it. So let's do it. Okay, we already have a topic and I want to stay within that same topic. So I'm going to add a plan, and that can be found on this lower row down here. And we're going to click on the word no title, and I'm going to call it Tuesday training day number 2. And I'm going to hit enter. It is done. Now, I want it to appear for the entire week of what week? Of the entire week of March the 29th, and I want it to end on Sunday, April the 5th. So I'm going to start with the 27th, because if I start on the 29th, the kids won't be able to see it, and for training purposes, I want you to be able to see it. So I have to start in a day that is current. So I have the 27th, and we're going to end it on Sunday, April the 5th. Okay, so I've set my parameters. Now, what you'll find on my first page, on the overview page, this information right here, I'm going to click in the description column. There is a pencil and a square right here. I'm going to click on it, and now it allows me to edit or add text. Okay, now the same buttons and icons that you will find in Word, PowerPoint, Excel, those same buttons are here in this dialog box. We'll go over a few of them throughout the session. Now, for the sake of time, I've already copied the actual text, so I'm just going to paste it by using Control V. Now, this is the text that I want to appear. It's the same text that you saw in the Monday, day 1. Okay, so now I can either type it or I could have already had it copied on my clipboard. So now what I want to do is let's talk about the framework. Just like with the standards-based classroom, you have the opening work period and closing. Well, for the virtual classroom, we're going to use this construct: the learning target, success criteria, instruction, and the task of the day, today's task. Now, I want those areas to stand out. So what I'm going to do is highlight learning target. It's already bold. I'm going to change the font to red, and I'm going to change the background to yellow. So when the students see it, it will stand out. Same thing for success criteria. Red, yellow. Same thing here. Red, yellow. Okay, one more area. Today's task. We have red. We have yellow. Now, one of our objectives today is to show you how to type your text in the overview page, which we have just done. And I want to show you how to add a picture. So let's add a picture. I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to go to images. Let's start fresh from Google. Okay. Okay, here we go. You start fresh from Google. I know I want to capture an image, so I'm going to click images, and I'm going to type in bed bug. Okay, because that's the image that I want to show the different students on that page. I'm going to use this picture right here. So I'm going to click on it. Now, if you're using a PC, you're going to right click this image. If you're using a Mac, you're going to control click. And I'm going to say save image as. The file is Bedbugs How Serious, and it's in my downloads folder. Always remember what you called it or what you saved the file as and where you saved it. I'm going to click save. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to where I want this picture inserted. I want it to appear between my first sentence and my second sentence, centered between those two sentences. So now I'm going to click this image icon here, and if you hover over to tell you what the icon is, it says image. I'm going to click it now, and now this dialog box comes up. I'm going to click upload and insert, and now I'm going to click choose file, and I know it's in my downloads folder, and it's called Bedbugs How Serious. Click it and click open. Now I see my file that I've selected now, and I have a maximum file size of 2047 megabytes. Okay, so now I'm going to click upload and insert, but know that your position is something. This is how you want the text to appear. Do you not want it to wrap? Do you want it to write to the left of the text or to the right? I'm sorry, the left of the image or to the right of the image? Okay, so I'm going to click insert. I like it the way it is. Do not wrap text. And now I have between my top sentence and my second sentence the image. I want to reduce it some, so I clicked on the image, left click on the image, and I could take the handle and reduce the side. I'm going to get the width of the picture the same width as the sentence. There we go. Okay, so we have added text, we have adjusted the color of the font, highlighted the font, and we have added an image. Thank you. Be back in just a second to show you how to insert audio and how to insert a video.